Struggling to keep up with confidence building habits? You're not alone. Starting is easy, but sticking to it is the real challenge. Let me show you a simple way to build a daily confidence routine you will actually follow using the free version of ChatGPT. I'm on ChatGPT and I will type this prompt. Create a simple three-step daily habit loop for building confidence, including a trigger, an action, and a reward. Now I hit enter. Then I get a routine I can use every day. The routine breaks down into three parts: a trigger to remind me to start, an action to build confidence, and a reward to reinforce the habit. I'm going to copy this into my Google Calendar or Notes app so I get a daily reminder and track my progress. This simple habit loop keeps me consistent without feeling overwhelmed. If you want a full system with focused exercises, ongoing support, and 30 days of power and purpose, delivering confidence boosting mantras and quotes straight to your inbox, check out the Confidence Challenge. The link's right below this video. Try this habit loop first, but if you want to build unshakable confidence step by step, the challenge is your next move.